In this video, I will show you how to refresh your WhatsApp contacts on an iPhone. Sometimes you may notice that new contacts do not appear in your WhatsApp list. This can happen if the app does not sync properly with your phone's contact list. But don't worry. Refreshing the contacts is a quick and easy process to get started. Open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see Privacy and Security tap on it. In this section, tap on Contacts. Here, you'll find a list of apps that have requested access to your contacts. Scroll through this list until you find WhatsApp once located. Tap on it. What you want to do next is select the None option. This will disable WhatsApp's access to your contacts temporarily. After selecting None, wait about 10 seconds. This brief pause allows changes to take effect smoothly. Now it's time to choose either limited access or full access. If you select limited access, you can manually pick which specific contacts WhatsApp can use. If you prefer convenience and want WhatsApp to have complete access to all your contacts, go ahead and select full access. Once you've made your selection, just exit out of Settings. Now open up WhatsApp again. Your contacts should now be refreshed. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below.